Good evening, and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, apple crisp and biscuits and gravy. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The mise en place for the apple crisp. Just before filming the demonstration, the crisp in the hot box, the crisp just out of the hot box, another segment of the demonstration, and here's the final presentation of the apple crisp. If you'd like to watch the video, please follow the link in the description. The final mise en place for the biscuits and gravy. Here I am grilling and browning the sausage. Here is the flour is added. I have added the whole milk. And here's the final gravy. And here's the final presentation of the biscuits and gravy. And again, the apple crisp. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun.